This is Christian. And I'm Chris. And we're building a moon rocket. Literally, a moon rocket. We've spent the past 9 months calculating the parameters of a rocket ship designed to carry a tiny, valuable payload to the moon. And now we need your help to start building this awesome machine. We call it Moonspike. Today we want to invite you to join this adventure and let us launch your digital memories, photos, videos, and data to the moon. On paper, it's a simple enough journey. We're going to send a rocket into Earth orbit carrying a small spacecraft. Then we're going to boost that spacecraft towards the moon and track it until arrival about 4 days later. But that simple journey depends upon a fast, accurate launch vehicle, a rocket. And that's what we need your support to start building. For the first time ever on Kickstarter or anywhere else, a small team of independent rocket engineers will build a 22-ton, 3-stage, liquid-fueled moon rocket complete with small spacecraft and launch it into space. We've already designed it, and today we've opened up our feasibility study for your review. You can download it here. But let's get serious. How do you know that this is for real? Well, what makes the Moonspike project unique is that our team have both professional training with organizations like NASA and several years of hands-on experience building large-scale rockets at the Copenhagen Suborbitals project. And now we're taking it to the next level. We believe that with a reasonable amount of money, we can build a reliable, effective launch vehicle and spacecraft and take a shot at the moon. Now we need your help to scale up. With the support of the Kickstarter community, we're going to start building and testing full-scale rocket engines. And we'll show you every step along the way. Whatever happens, good or bad, we're going to let you know through blogs, videos, and interviews. There are dozens of amazing rewards on offer, including VIP factory visits, behind-the-scenes access during launches and tests, as well as actual rocket components. But the main reward is that all Moonspike backers will secure at least 1 megabyte of storage capacity to send their digital memories to the moon. That's Moonspike, a genuine, full-scale moon rocket built by a small, dedicated team of experienced rocket engineers carrying your precious digital memories into space for eternity. We're going back to the moon. Why don't you join us today?
People are the most creative when they are children. But the tools they use to create have not changed for years.
Hi, I'm Rustem, and this is the RoboCube, and it will change how our kids learn about technology.
Introducing Robo Wunderkind, a revolutionary robotics kit for kids of all ages, which can be programmed and controlled with smartphones and tablets. RoboCubes can be attached from either side so you can make different robots.
2 years ago, I was studying computer science at the Vienna University of Technology, and I was building robots on Arduino platform. My friends were fascinated by what I was doing, and they also wanted to build their own robots, but there was no fun and simple way for them to get started. This is why I decided to create a robot that would be easy to build with code and would be accessible for everyone.
We're embedding different electronics such as microcontrollers, sensors, motors, and even cameras into the cubes. This way, kids can easily build unique robots with different functions and in any shapes they can imagine.
I think it's really important that kids get introduced to technology at a very young age, and I think Robo is a really interesting platform for enabling these kinds of things that sort of makes the robotics technology accessible.
The biggest engineering challenge for our team was to create a connection system between the cubes. We've created a technology that will be easy to grasp even for a 5-year-old child, and it works perfectly. Just attach the cubes, build the robot, and connect it to your tablet via Bluetooth.
We've created an intuitive app that kids really love. You don't have to write any code to program the robot. Just drag and drop blocks in the app and press start. Teachers love the way kids learn by playing with the robot. That's why we've also developed a curriculum for teachers on how to use Robo Wunderkind in the classroom.
Robo introduces the younger students to authentic 21st century skills, and it targets an age group that sometimes doesn't really have that opportunity.
Children learn by playing and experimenting, and I can't think of a better thing to support than Robo, where students are having fun, but they are learning.
With our amazing robotics kit, we are teaching children 3 key skills: robotics, coding, and creative thinking. And there is one more thing. We've made an adapter that will make Robo Wunderkind compatible with your Legos. All of our backers on Kickstarter will receive these adapters so that you can bring your toys to a whole new level.
We started working on Robo Wunderkind 2 years ago to make education in coding and robotics fun and simple.
And now we need your help to start production.
Support Robo on Kickstarter to make technology accessible for everyone and everywhere.
Thank you!
We are from an independent tech collective, and we're tired of the corporate giant's laziness.
Regular earphones have wires that tangle and limit your movement. And the few wireless ones out there are too big, run out of batteries, and on top of that are useless while you charge them.
So we took matters in our own hands and developed Pugs, the world's smallest wireless earphones that you can charge through your phone. Look at those puppies.
This self-guiding magnetic connector is going to change the game. If the battery is out, just connect it to your phone and keep on listening. We designed it not as a square,
Nor a circle. We call it the Squircle. For the best electrical conductivity, our connecting elements are made of 18-karat gold.
Our Pugs earphones are not only small, they're also packed with badass sound and come in 2 different models depending on what kind of fit you prefer. They are available in 4 colors to suit everyone, and of course, you can talk on the phone with them.
A full charge takes 40 minutes, which gives you 4.5 hours of music, and it only uses 3% of a smartphone's battery capacity. If the battery's out, just plug it in and keep on listening. The development phase is done, and we are ready to go. Now, we need your help to go into production.
You now have 2 choices. You push the back button, and the story ends. You'll wake up tomorrow with your regular earphones, and this project will cease to exist.
Or you push the green pledge button, and we start our journey and explore how deep this rabbit hole goes. The choice is yours.
Menstruation is an important indicator of your health. Not once, but every month, it tells you something about your body. What if we could check our health every month and have better, clearer ideas about how our bodies are dealing with our periods? Whether at the gym or busy working and killing it at work, we promise you will not be disturbed. You no longer have to worry about when to empty your cup or change your pad or tampon. Most of all, by using LoonCup, you'll be able to learn more about your menstrual pattern, menstrual fluid volume, color, and cycle using the LoonCup smartphone application, anytime, anywhere. It's about time for us to redefine what this menstruation experience is all about. If we can't avoid it, let's face it with a better solution. Loon Cup is just inches away from the finish line, and we do need your help to produce a better quality, meticulously tested smart menstrual cup, so that women all around the world can have happier, more convenient, and enjoyable lives. Come along, join us on our journey to help change the world.
What did we think the future would look like 10 years ago? We thought there would be a way to save up our time and excel at multitasking. We thought the way we get things done would change, get smarter, more efficient and economic. It did. Introducing DoBot, the first affordable robotic arm created not only for makers. DoBot is a great assistant for educators, designers, artists, and scientists, and even everyday use. For makers, it's a unique product of its kind that allows you to study robotic technology and coding. It will provide endless opportunities when it goes fully open sourced. We created software for DoBot where all users will be able to write their own commands, upload them to the server, and share with other users, creating a database of a limitless variety of DoBot applications. The new 4-axis dimension movement capability allows DoBot to use a lot less desk space for its performance. We took the best from the industrial robots, keeping their high quality, and added a number of innovative improvements. We created the new code, allowing it to operate at never-before precision and multifunctionality. With an exceptional aluminum alloy fusion, we achieved the best possible durability and lightweight of the components. Numerous small details, along with 5 changeable nozzles for different types of performance, allow DoBot to be more precise and more agile than any other robotic arms of this generation.
Go left.
Let's take a closer look at how it works. We developed an app that helps you to remote control it using Bluetooth. It can be operated with a PC. Just use a downloaded command from the global DoBot server or write your own. It can be controlled with gesture motion, equipping 3 sensors that track your hand movement. Using the microphone in your phone, you can now input commands with your voice. DoBot is able to recognize shapes and colors with a portable web camera. But it doesn't end there. You can download and share new codes for different kinds of item recognition. You can also control it using the leap motion that can register your hand movement as you hover your hand over the sensor. We managed to apply a revolutionary technology of mind control, EEG, which allows you to operate DoBot with your concentration. It happened. DoBot, a robot for everyone and everyday use.